In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put music on Dropbox tutorial. If you have tracks scattered across your computer and want a simple, reliable place to store, play, and share them, this walkthrough will get you set up in just a few minutes. We'll start by keeping things organized from the very beginning. In your Dropbox account, click Create, then choose Folder. Give this folder a clear name, like Music, so your tracks stay separate from documents and photos. A tidy folder now means faster searching later, especially if your library grows. If you like, you can decide on a naming style for files, artist, song, or album, so uploads line up neatly. Next, open your new folder. To add your songs, simply drag and drop the music files from your computer straight into the browser window. You can select one file, a handful, or even an entire album. Dropbox supports all major formats like MP3, WAV, and AAC, so most collections will upload without any conversion. As the upload begins, you'll see progress indicators. Larger high-quality files may take longer, depending on your internet speed. It's fine to keep working in another tab. Just avoid closing the upload page until everything finishes. Your originals remain on your computer. Dropbox is creating cloud copies you can access anywhere you sign in. One of the best parts is instant playback. Once a file finishes uploading, click it to open the built-in player and listen right in your browser. This is perfect for quick checks, playlists on the fly, or sharing drafts without forcing anyone to download first. If playback doesn't start, give it a moment to finish processing, then try again. When you're ready to send your tracks to a friend or collaborator, hit the share button on the file or the folder. Generate a link and send it through your favorite messaging or email app. They can open the link to listen in the browser, and, if permitted, download the files too. No extra software required on their end. That's it. Your music, synced and ready to play. With your music folder created, your files uploaded, in-browser playback available, and an easy share link ready to go, you're all set. Done.